Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanitba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy? Is surrogacy legal in India? How surrogacy is done? For all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Qua electricity kalla niyam ladabad niyam tanray ngim ay yafi surak ngim ay yafi kaying kasem ngim ay yafi ka skur ngim ay yafi ka dispensary ngim ay hap kalla niyam ladalong kristan yobek klem long kristan kino.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma oleh Pynrem jur ke Jingkren jong nong elam keseng BJP Sunil Deodhar. Baru ulang bagi Jingkren kedai baru ke babakla, kebayalam bakla bat ke omla ban yang setia. Ulang begini ke Jingkren kedai ke baken shot yupat ba bat ke bapersyang ban penyapat je perak emlang salang. Ya ke omla ban yang dalilai bagi sarkar klasim ke senjam bat uni nongkren unhab ban penbet ne ban pan ma ipat ba ke Jela hanor ke Jingkren ke ba penyapat je perak ipat ba. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulang baule keren badu sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela bakmi ke tenat korbari ke Jela bat blasim ro ke senjam namar ke baniat kat kum ki kendon an. Ulang bagi remit Kristan kin bitar rekum ke Jingkren. Rekum ki Kristan ki nget ke ban map tang ba om depat ban klet ne bandon kam menei namar bagi sarkar klasim ki senjam rushimet ubadan keti unhab ban ai ke Jingkren ban penbet ke Jingkren bakla ne ban pan map ke bawula kum keren. Namar ke Jingkren kelang obat tomet bah bagi Jingkren ke bap penyapat japra yak emlang salang. Menteri Rangba ulang bagi sarkar kala kersyane barok kinyam bagi jat bendriu bat ya barok ki kenhuan ke emlang salang. Bat kala penlong bon ba ki program bat ai scheme hagapor jang ke sarkar ka bamenta.
As a government, we have been supporting all communities, all faiths, and all sections of society. When it comes to our indigenous faith and the people who believe in the indigenous faith, multiple programs, multiple schemes have been given by our government. In fact, if you were to ask their leaders, they would tell you that the maximum number of programs and schemes has come during this government's time, whether it is the cultural center in Maukar area, whether it is the development in Smith area, which I recently inaugurated, or whether it's just the CMSDF scheme that I gave just this evening. Multiple levels, and these are larger schemes. Apart from that, many, many smaller schemes are being given. So this is a complete false statement and completely misguided statement and an incorrect statement. Number two, the statement that was made by the concerned individual is again completely unacceptable. These are very, very statements that are instigating people and trying to divide the society. And it is unacceptable by us. Government has initiated steps, and the concerned individual will have to retract his statement or will have to apologize to the people of our state for making such kind of statements which is dividing our people. So it is completely unacceptable from us, and government will take steps, necessary steps to ensure that these kind of statements are not made, and those people who are responsible for this, they will have to either retract their statement or they will have to apologize.